Welcome! In this explainer, we're going to crack the code on creating a truly amazing learning environment. And forget all those boring theories, okay? We're going to treat this like the ultimate strategy guide to help you level up your classroom. So are you ready? Because we're not just talking about management here. We're talking about becoming a legend in your own right. This isn't some chore you have to get through, it's an exciting challenge. And trust me, by the end of this, you'll have all the cheat codes you need to absolutely master it. All right, here's our quest log for today. First up, we'll meet the Game Master and learn the rules of the game. Then we're gonna build our essential character stats. After that, we unlock the skill tree with some seriously powerful new abilities. And finally, we'll get you prepped for the final quest. So let's jump in. Okay, let's dive right into this. You know, every great game has a rule book, right? There's always a game master who sets the main objective. Well, in the world of education in England, that role is played by Ofsted. They're basically the official inspectors who set the standards. So understanding their rule book, that's step one to winning. So what is that ultimate objective? What's the main quest they've set for every single one of us? Well, it's actually a lot simpler and way more important than you might think. It really all boils down to just one core concept. And there it is. Boom. That's the win condition. Everything we do, every single strategy we use, it's all aimed at building this exact environment. It's about creating an atmosphere where learning isn't just possible, it's pretty much inevitable. Because everyone is tuned in, ready to go, and there are no distractions pulling them away. Okay, so let's see how we actually build this. To create that winning environment, you've got to focus on leveling up two core character stats in your students, their behavior and their attitudes. Now, they might sound kind of similar, but believe me, they are very, very different. And this is where it gets really interesting. Look at how this breaks down. Behavior is the actions. It's the stuff students physically do. It's what you can actually see. But attitudes, that's the mindset. That's all the stuff going on inside their heads, their motivation, their drive. And you can't just command a good attitude, right? You have to actually foster it. And this right here, this is the ultimate power-up for that attitude stat. Fostering a growth mindset is like giving your students a permanent buff. It's that core belief that they aren't just stuck with the skills they have right now, but that they can improve with effort. I mean, this builds resilience, and it is an absolute game changer for motivation. All right, so you know the rules, you know your stats. Now, for the really fun part, let's unlock the skill tree. These are the practical, super powerful abilities you can use every single day to create that positive environment and really master your classroom. So, your skill tree kicks off with 3 foundational abilities. Think of these as your core magic spells. First, setting clear expectations. That's all about the rules. Second, promoting student engagement. That means making learning active and exciting. And third, using restorative approaches, which is all about repairing harm and relationships when things go wrong. We're going to focus on that first one, but mastering all 3, that will make you unstoppable. So let's zoom in on that first skill. Setting clear expectations is just about making sure every single player knows the rules of the game. When you're consistent, when you're calm, when you're empathetic, you're not just some boss laying down the law. You're creating a whole culture of mutual respect where everyone feels safe and supported. So here's the crucial point you've got to remember. Inspectors from Ofsted, they aren't just looking for one thing. They are looking for a powerful balance. You need high levels of respect, high levels of inclusion, and high levels of discipline. It's the combination of all 3 of these that creates the magic, that truly positive and super effective learning environment we're all aiming for. Okay, so let's recap. You've met the Game Master, you've leveled up your understanding of the core stats, and you've unlocked the foundational skills. Now it's time to assemble your loadout for the final quest, walking into that classroom every single day. And here it is. This is your takeaway toolkit, your mission loadout screen. Your objective? It's crystal clear. You know the 2 stats you need to build. You've got your 3 key skills ready to deploy. And you have your ultimate superpower, fostering that growth mindset. This is literally everything you need to start your mission with total confidence. So look, we're at the end of the guide, but this is really just the beginning of your adventure. You have the map, you have the tools, you know the strategy. The only question left is, what kind of legend will you choose to be for your learners? The final challenge is all yours. Good luck.